Okay, this is the shuttle elevator here at the Bloomingdales department store, 59th Street, New York, New York. Let's go down to 1SB. It's as low as we can go. Okay, in case you didn't hear me before because of the loud music, this is the elevator here at the Bloomingdales on 59th Street in New York City. I have no clue what brand it is. It's got Echo SSL. Now we're going to end the tour on 1M. Oh, which floor? Alright, go ahead. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think I can get the main bank of elevators on 1M, but if not, I'll go down 1. Alright, there it goes, and that is it.